electric crowd here that has been eagerly waiting for this monogamous chase to begin. And the ball has gone right into the stands for 6 runs. That's what I call power. Now that's the maximum. 6 runs for the batsman. And that's a skyer. Brilliant job by the batsman. 6 runs. Extraordinary effort by the fielder, but the shot was unstoppable and reached the boundary. That was struck hard and flat. 4 runs all the way. Tremendous shot. The ball just lands inside the boundary. 4 runs. And the ball has gone right into the stands for 6 runs. That's what I call power. Cricket at its best. That was a 6 the moment it left the bat. Now that's the maximum. 6 runs for the batsman. And that's a skyer. Brilliant job by the batsman. 6 runs. And the ball has gone right into the stands for 6 runs. That's what I call power. Technical cricket at its best. That was a 6 the moment it left the bat. Now that's a brilliant catch. Extraordinary effort by the fielder, but the shot was unstoppable and reached the boundary. Now that's the maximum. 6 runs for the batsman.